Hello everyone, today we will learn how to solve these sort of questions where we have the brackets, we have the different orders of operations. So I have written an order. First one we have to solve is brackets or parenthesis. Second one we have to solve the division. Third one we have to solve the multiplication. Fourth is addition and the fifth one is subtraction. So let's start with the very first question. In the first question, if you can see, we have brackets. So as I have written the order, first we have to solve the bracket. So let's solve it. 7 times 4 plus 3 is 7. We'll write down here bracket 7 minus 10 divided by 2. We will not solve any other order of operations yet. First, we will solve the bracket. Now, after that, we will write on it as 7 times 7 minus 10 divided by 2. Now, after this, we have to solve the division. So, let's solve it. We'll write down 7 times 7 minus 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now after this we have multiplication, we have subtraction. So from the order, if you can see, multiplication comes first. So now we have to solve the multiplication. So 7 into 7 is 49 minus 5, which is equals to 44. So that's the answer for question number 1. Similarly, for question number 2, we have to see, do we have brackets? So yes, we have brackets. We'll write down here 15 minus 3 is equals to 12 into 2 plus 8 divided by 4. Now we'll open the brackets. 12 times 2 plus 8 divided by 4. Now we have division, we have multiplication. So we have to first solve the division, because in the order of operation, division comes first, then multiplication. So we'll do here 12 times 2 plus 8 divided by 4 is 2. We'll write on here 2. Now since we have multiplication, we have addition. So first we have to solve the multiplication, because multiplication comes first. Then we have addition. So 12 times 2 is 24 plus 2 is equals to 26. Similarly, in question number 3, we have to look for the brackets again. We have two brackets here. So first we have to solve these brackets in the first step, and then we have to do the rest of the operations. So we'll get here is equals to 10 plus. Now within the bracket we'll write down 6 divided by 2 is 3 into 8 minus 4 is 4. Now within the bracket, if there is multiplication, if there is division, we can solve it. Then is equals to, now we'll write down the numbers, we will open the bracket, plus 3 into 4. Now we have addition, we have multiplication. So first we have to do the multiplication, because multiplication comes first, and then we have to do the addition. So we will solve this part first, which is equals to 10 plus 12, which is equals to 22. So that's the answer for question number 3. Similarly, for question 4, we have a bracket. First, we will solve the bracket here. We'll write down here 24 divided by, within the bracket, we'll write down the answer. So 8 plus 2 is 10 into 3. Now we'll open the brackets. It would be 24 divided by 10 into 3. Now, if I have to solve this part, divided by part, so it is 24 divided by 10, which can be written as 2.4. We'll write on here 2.4 into 3. We will multiply it, and the answer is 7.2. So this is how we can solve these sort of questions where we have brackets or parentheses and the different orders of operation.